Hi there, as you might remember, I am one of the winners of YouTube NextUp 2012. And one of the prizes that I won is going to London for 1 week to get special training in video editing and channel optimization, stuff like that. So that's why I don't make a workout video or something like that, because I don't really have a lot of time right now to do that. I also have got a new website and it's the same name, so JeromeFitness.com. However, it has had a remake, as you can see, and here you can see some different articles, including some videos that you can find on YouTube as well. I'm planning on making some special videos for just this website, I think anyways. The articles that you can find here are still kind of the same as I had before, however I'm planning on making some new ones the next few weeks, and perhaps I will make some in London as well. And here you can also go to my Facebook, Twitter, as well as YouTube. And this is my new background, as you might have seen already. And finally, my YouTube channel has got a new background, which you might have already seen. There is also a link to my Twitter account on there, so if you want you can follow me on Twitter. And after next week I will be making new videos with hopefully improved quality, because I get a new camera, some audio tools, and also some better lighting, because my lighting right now really is not good. So thank you for watching, and I will see you next time.